Tired of that Tobaz Video Ai logo ruining your perfect video? I'm going to show you how to get rid of it in seconds. First, import your video into your favorite video editing software. I'm using name of video editing software being used. Now, the simplest method is cropping. Locate the crop tool usually found under Effects or Video Settings. Adjust the crop parameters to carefully cut out the watermark from the video frame. Make sure you don't crop out important parts of your video. You can also try scaling the video up slightly if cropping removes too much of the frame. If cropping isn't ideal, try blurring. Find the blur effect within your software. Apply it to your video and then reposition and resize the blur effect so it completely covers the Tobaz Video Ai watermark. Adjust the blur intensity until the watermark is no longer distracting. Another option is to cover the watermark with your own logo or text. Import your logo or create a text box. Place it directly over the Tobaz Video Ai watermark. Resize and position it to seamlessly blend with your video. Finally, you can explore online watermark removal tools. These can be quick and easy, but the results may vary depending on the watermark's complexity. Simply upload your video and follow the website's instructions. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Tobaz Video Ai watermark. Remember to always respect copyright laws and ensure you have the right to remove any watermarks before doing so. Now go create some amazing videos.